Hello, Lost Mooka friends. Today we're going to match a 2009 BMW 730 Li. Now let's show how to disconnect the car's battery negative terminal. Unscrew the screw. Lift the lid. Unscrew this screw too. After pulling it out, you can disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Take off the trim panel. The anti-theft box is right in here. This screw also needs to be unscrewed. Then just unplug these three connectors and unscrew the anti-theft box and you can take it out. Now let's demonstrate how to disassemble the 700 Li anti-theft box to add features. Of course, OBD can also be used to increase it, but there are risks. The equipment needed for disassembly: KEYDIY-X4, OTG cable, programming adapter KEYDY-EPA. Let's first take a look at the wiring diagram. Click the LMO programming OBD. Click KEYDIY-X4. Choose to read file. Choose IMMO. Choose BMW. Choose CAS4 1L15Y. There are two pieces of data that need to be backed up in here. To increase, you only need the first piece of data. I suggest backing up both. Choose EPROM. There's a wiring diagram in here. You can zoom in to see. This wire is the one we've already soldered. Now let's connect the wiring harness. After finishing the welding and connecting the wiring harness, we go into the previous path. Click to read. Click to start. Save it after reading. Another per flash can be read too. Save complete. Now let's talk about where the saved files are. Go back to the matching feature page and click on File Management. Choose Local File. Choose the folder with the file saved on that day. You can see the file we just saved now. We can just export it and use another device to do it. You can also do it with KD equipment. Next, connect the negative terminal of the battery. Put back what was taken apart before. The screw also needs to be screwed back in. We have now put the anti-theft box back. Then our X4 OBD cable already got on the car. Now enter the EMO programming. Choose BMW. Select CAS4. Click to start execution. Select 1L15Y. After verifying that the chassis number is correct, click OK. Click to select from local. Select the folder for the current date. Then you can see the file that was just saved. Select the corresponding file. Choose key 3. Put the key into the device coil. Select KDFGB extension phone. Click to generate. This way, it has been written successfully. Then stick our key onto this sensing area. The sensor area is on the right side of the steering wheel. Then start the vehicle. Functioning normally. Turn off the car. Now let's test the remote control. Everything is normal. Test completed. See you next time.